Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the most popular virtual data room and pricing structure. Let's check out the intro. Video is a secure online repository where business can store and share confidential documents. They are often used for high stakes transactions such as merger and acquisition, due diligence, and fundraising. Video offer a number of benefits over traditional file sharing methods such as emails and cloud storage. Video offer robust security features such as encryption, access control, and activity tracking. They also offer collaboration features such as document document annotations, file versioning, and Q&A. Video typically chances for their services using one of the following pricing structure. Per page. The per page price structure is based on the number of the pages that are uploaded to the video. The pricing structure is typically used for smaller projects with a limited number of documents. Per use. The per use pricing structure is based on the number of the who has access to the video. The pricing structure is typically used for medium to large size project with a higher number of user. Per storage. The per storage pricing structure is based on the amount of storage space this is used in the video. The pricing structure is typically used for larger projects with a large number of documents. Flat free. The flat fee pricing structure is a monthly or annual subscription that covers all of the features and storage space that you need. This pricing structure is typically used for business that need to use video on a regular basis. Which pricing structure is right for you? The best pricing structure for you will depend on your specific needs. If you are working on a smaller project with a limited number of documents, then the per page pricing structure may be the best option for you. If you are working on a medium or large size project with a higher number of users, then the per users pricing structure may be the best option for you. If you're working on a larger project with a large number of documents, then the per storage pricing structure may be the best options for you. If you need to use a video on a regular basis, then the flat fee pricing structure may be the best options for you. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below and let us know which topic we can do next for you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Take care and bye bye.